Parliamentarians are blasting local manufacturers of asphalt for what is believed to be the cause of shoddy road repairs. The matter was discussed at this week's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee PAAC meeting. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
Bad roads. Patched today, eroded again in a matter of weeks, if not days. It's a complaint from residents, motorists, and now even politicians.
A number of persons in the constituency and otherwise, there's a general discussion that almost as if the quality or the type of asphalt we're using now to patch is not of the, I wouldn't say standard, but not the same as what was used at times in the past.
At Thursday's PAAC meeting, committee members questioned CEO of the National Works Agency, NWA, E.G. Hunter, about the issue, indicating that they get not only complaints because road repair works don't last, but accusations as well.
For representatives to repair a road and then your constituents turn around and wonder what happened. Is it that some money run and they take out a portion of what should have been in the quality of the road? Because that's the perception of the public. And that is why their roads are not lasting. It's not good for us.
Mr. Hunter explained that the NWA, which is by far the largest purchaser of asphalt, buys from several companies depending on the location of the roadwork. He says checking the quality of this raw material on the market is the responsibility of the Bureau of Standards.
We do it as an output thing, and sometimes we don't discover the variation from required standard until we have laid and so on. So yes, there is the need to have that entire envelope properly scrutinized.
But in addition to calling for an established standard to be applied to all asphalt manufacturers, PAAC member Marissa Dalrymple-Filbert blasted manufacturers for not acting on one suggested solution: rubberized asphalt, despite the legislative framework being in place.
It has gone to cabinet. There is a facility, and all of these people who own companies doing asphalt, not one of them have risen to the plate to invest in the machinery to do the thing. And the rubberized asphalt, and every day you get up and you hear, government not, government not, government not. And these are companies who have earned large sums of money from government and continue to do so.
She suggests that legislative measures should be considered to scrutinize the issue from material quality of manufacturers through to the work being done to improve the longevity of the roads. Herman Green, TVJ News.